If you're new to Lemons and you're looking for a car, there's always a temptation to look for another race car. Safety equipment's already in it, right? It's already got a roll cage. You don't have to do any of that.
Yes!
Well, that's not always the case.
Yeah, that is not always the case. So most of these things, and particularly circle track cars, well, maybe there's a cage in it, but it's not really a cage. It's like a couple of sticks of bamboo, and they're lashed together with duct tape. We have pretty rigid rules, and they are road racing level or above, and most of that stuff out there in the world just will not pass. Unlike the circle track, we actually care if you die.
So, for starters, if you want to bring a car that was built for another Series 2 Lemons, check with us first, and better yet, before you buy it, send us pictures and we'll tell you whether that's a good idea or not.
Generally, what we're going to tell you is, here's the 130 ways in which getting this car up to Lemons grade safety standards is way more expensive than just starting from scratch. But not always.
Yeah, once in a blue moon, there's a team that brings a circle track car and it actually does pass Lemons tech. Flea Market Funded here in California is one of those teams. They've got a 77 Pontiac Trans Am. It was pulled out of a field decades ago, prepped for circle track enduros, watermelon smash, pumpkin smash, figure eight racing, towing the boat racing, basically everything short of a full-on demo derby.
As a result, the body has character.
Yeah, according to the team captain Stephanie, they were going for a dead milkman vibe when they swapped the front clip for one from a bitchin' Camaro. That, and because they smashed the original Trans Am front clip completely into a million pieces in circle track racing.
Now, under the hood, there is nothing exotic about this car. It's turbo hydromatics, automatic gearbox. It's an old Chevy 350. It's just a pile, but it's reliable, amazingly. It's not super fast, but it's not super slow, and it gets, I don't know how, great mileage.
Yeah, and you can get parts at the gas station, AutoZone, wherever. And with such a simple setup, this team does not have huge plans for great evolution of this car in the future. They've mentioned maybe bigger tires and probably more hood pins.
Best of all, since it is fully Lemon safety compliant, it is backward compatible. They can go to the pumpkin smash, they can do whatever they want with this car. So again, this almost never works. A pre-existing race car, it's so hard to get it up to Lemon safety standards, but if you can make this work, awesome.